Hello, welcome back to Grow New Plants. I have had lots of requests for updates on these nerve plants. Apparently everybody really likes their nerve plants. So I thought I'd do an update. This is the ruby red ones that I did a little over 2 months ago. I went back and looked, it's been a little over 2 months. And these are ones that I did the propagation in the soil. I did not do the water propagation. I did the Juanita ones earlier and I did those in water. And the Juanitas, I had given all those away, except for I had kept 2 of them that I did just from the leaves. And this is one that I brought up that eventually it put up a new plant from a leaf, and it's doing pretty good too. So I'd given all the other ones away, so I couldn't really do much of an update with those. So the ones in water, they do fine, but honestly, if you've got a dome to put these things in, I think soil is probably an easier way to go. So I'm going to post a picture of what these things looked like when I first did the propagation on them, and I got them set up exactly the same way so you can look at the comparison. Okay, so that's what they look like before. This is what they look like now, and they're not spreading. Obviously I haven't pruned the tops off. I could prune the tops off these and get them to start branching out, but they did really good. I mean, all of them, all 4 of the ones that I took cuttings off of came out and looked really nice. And then I did a little bit of experimenting on, these are the ones that I just divided out, and obviously they're a little fuller because they had more branching on the bottoms of them. But I mean, they look really nice. They're doing great. This one back here is really big and pretty. That's just as big as the original plant that I started out with all by itself. And then this one here is the one that, if you look real close in there, hopefully you can see it. You can see where I did the original cuttings off this. The 4 cuttings I took off of this one, and then when I took the cuttings off of it, it did come out and just make more branching. Obviously it's a little smaller than what the other ones are, but that one's going to make a fuller plant, obviously, because I took the cuttings off of it. So you can come back and take cuttings off of these things and then they will branch back out. So they're pretty easy to grow. They do like really high humidity. And some of these, like these here, when I took them, I did put them under the plastic domes. And I'll have a link to the dome underneath down in the description if you're interested in those. So I have them in these trays in humidity domes. They're actually a terrarium plant. They really like high humidity, but these have not been under domes and they're doing fine too. You just got to watch the water levels. Keep them moist, not soaking wet, but just keep them moist, and they do just fine. So anyway, I know this wasn't a super exciting video, but I've had a lot of requests, probably more requests from any other plant on wanting updates on these things. So I guess the people that like the nerve plants really like the nerve plants, and they are cool looking plants. So, but anyway, so that's how they're doing. Everything I did worked on them. So if you want to try propagating them, you could do it through the water method or you could do it in the soil method. Either one works. My suggestion though is when you're propagating them, either through cuttings or right after you plant them in soil after water, if you've got some kind of a little dome to keep the humidity up on them for a little while, I would suggest doing that. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please share my videos. Thank you.